Oh wow, look, smooth driving today. Could have brought the caddy, maybe. Not. No, cutting edges. Little tractor. Oh yeah, look, it's very nice. Oh no, and then it runs out. To be continued. Oh, see the digger right down there. Look it in the air. Oh, welcome back, everybody. As you'll see, I'm in the Panda. I've got a trailer. Got the trailer on the back. And just to put the BHQ. Just been putting some more stuff in here. I need to get rid of this wood. Well, I need to build a bench out of this wood and this wood. But yeah, got everything in, bringing everything in for storage for the winter and stuff, and sorting everything. And yeah, going to convert this. I bought this a while back. This lorry body. It's aluminium. It is. Well, it's in pretty good nick. I patched the holes up. There was a few holes, little holes. The roof's like all right still. The roller shutter works and everything. It's a bit stiff at the bottom, but it's an alley body, so yeah, it won't rot out, and it's solid. You know, it is rodent proof, and the wasps can't get in here. Well, they can. There's an hole there. Look, you can see right through it. But yeah, anyway, we'll fix that. So what my plan is to just behind the roller shutter, keep the roller shutter, and then probably here where this beam is, or this down here, is to build a partition across with big double glazed doors, like double doors. So then you've got a little area at the front where you can close all this bit off, close all this back area off, because I'm going to put a bench in here. A workbench this side and probably a workbench this side, and then we'll have the doors, you know, here, but then there'll be an area there, so stuff that you don't really want in here until like it's sorted out or whatever can sit out there, and you can have a roller door shutter up a bit or shut it down. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to go down the bottom now and pick up all the supers that we'll put out and bring them up, get everything in out of the way, because the next issue is the old storing everything so the old wax moth don't destroy everything. Yeah, so it's pretty full. I emptied the other bee unit. Me and Owen emptied the other bee unit and brought all of the farmers equipment round and put in here. I've got some of my equipment in here. I'm just going to go and get these supers and that, and have a quick look on the hives. I've got a load of stuff here in the buckets to mix up for some feed for them if they need to feed. Yeah, let's go and get, because it's been a bit wet, so we might get a bit stuck in the Panda. Doubt it though, you know, even with a trailer on. So me and Owen went and done a another little stall at the pumpkin thing. Sadly, it weren't very busy, so we didn't sell much honey. We did sell a little bit of honey, but not much. It didn't cover the costs. Go after like mine and Owen's breakfast, lunch, and the pitch fee, which was quite reasonable, £20. No, £25 pitch fee. So it was quite reasonable, but we didn't sell enough honey even to well, it covered our breakfast and our lunch, but it's certainly not covered the pitch or Owen's wages, so it was a loss yesterday. So we'll put that one down to experience. Sort of the right, I did think after that it's too early for pumpkins. People ain't going to be buying pumpkins in their masses now and sitting them, letting them go rotten. They're going to wait nearer the time, but you know, you think after. A few people, you know, it was a nice day and stuff, and it was still alright. It was a bit bloody cold though, and we was in the gazebo, and that was bloody cold. But a few of the other stall holders and things, and the vendors I talked to, they said the same, because they hadn't been before. But like with me, you look online and you see any pictures of any sort of event and it is rammed with people. So you can't always go off of what you see online and things. word of mouth's probably better, but even then, like, quite a lot of people bigged it up and it's wicked, but yeah, always rammed and stuff like that. Well, yes, they proved wrong, but first day and all, you know. So what we'll probably, if I've got any honey left by that time, because it's going fast, people are loving it, it's going fast, it's, you know, well, it's natural product, isn't it? So yeah, so we might do another one near us Halloween, because the invite's there. Could do every weekend up till Halloween and half term, but it's a bit, you know, it was 40-minute drive for me, you know, even though we was doing like 95 in the caddy. Jesus, wait for the speeding ticket to come through the post. Yeah, I'm had to go off-road to get to the bee unit, look, because there's the old lorry there, and then the old cat dozer there, and then there's a daft lorry there, so I'm had to go around that way, around the skeleton shed that me, Tom and Edward put up. A bit of off-roading, and then a bit more off-roading down to the bees and stuff. I need to move the supers because I know he's cutting all the edges, not the edges, cutting round the edges of the field so you can have them all fenced up. So I'll get it moved, get them moved, because the bees on the trailer need moving down to the bottom apiary, so I have to trim a little area, not big though, but I'll trim a little pathway and a little area to put them hives, and all the ones on the trailer can go down the bottom. And then a couple of the hives from the farm, a couple of the farmers' hives are going over to the brewery, for the brewery boys to have over there. And then yeah, it's a go. Right, so I'm getting on, car's getting hot.